Welcome to Very Vegan with Terry. I am Terry. Today I just wanted to share with you how to make strawberry jam. So I'm really excited to show this to you and I hope you enjoy. Okay, this recipe is super simple. We're just going to take a saucepan, put it on medium to high heat. We're going to put in 2 cups of sliced strawberries, 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup. We're going to cover it, give it about 8 minutes, and once it's cooked down, we'll add some chia seeds. See you in 6 to 8 minutes. Every so often, you just want to stir it up. Make sure the heat gets evenly distributed. Uh-oh, I'm gonna turn that off. All right, I think this is about done. I turn the heat off. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. And we're just gonna let that thicken up for a few minutes. And the longer it sits, the thicker it's gonna be. So I'm gonna remove this completely from the heat and let it sit for about, 10 minutes or so. Okay, this is cooled for a few minutes. See, it's starting to look like jelly or jam. So I'm just going to pour this into a mason jar and let it refrigerate. And it'll become all kinds of jelly goodness. And you can use this in anything that you would normally use jelly on. There you go, strawberry chia jam.